Okay, here's a parcel of small to very small pieces of Boulder Opal, mostly Boulder Opal. You might find something else amongst it, but mostly Boulder Opal. It's been wetted and I've put it in this black dish just to give you an idea of the sizes. As you can see, there's rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. The black that you can see in the background there, the black and white, that's the reflection of the lights. As you can see, I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, as you can see, I think pretty well every piece has got colour on it. And yes, they are small, but they can still be cut into small stones. Someone that's prepared to do it will end up with some nice pieces. You might find a few pieces that aren't worth doing or are cracked or whatever, but it's what it is. That one's been shaped, rejected for some reason. But I'll put it in a jar. Just remember, when it's in a jar, they look bigger. That's why I wanted to show you out on the flat first. Anyway, we'll stop the video and get them ready for in the jar. Cheers. Okay, I've put them in a little jar for you, full of water. Rule's still in millimetres, same rule as I always use. It's about 80 mils long, I think. Yeah. Anyway, don't forget, putting them in a jar makes them look bigger. You might find there's a odd black opal amongst it from Lightning Ridge, but mostly Boulder. Quite often the cutters do different material, and sometimes it gets a little bit mixed up, especially with offcuts and things like that. But I think I could just put that onto a tumbler and you could watch it for hours, I would imagine. But don't forget, the sizes are exaggerated because it's in the glass bottle. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you've got a good idea of that now. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.